The battle for justice, Trump's alleged retribution campaign. In a move that has sparked controversy and raised concerns, President Donald Trump is reportedly set to fire the U.S. Attorney for the Eastern District of Virginia, Erik Siebert. The reason? Siebert's refusal to bring criminal charges against New York Attorney General Letitia James, despite pressure from Trump officials. But here's where it gets controversial. Federal prosecutors in Virginia, after a thorough investigation, found no solid evidence to prove James' involvement in mortgage fraud. Yet Trump's team pushed for criminal charges, leading to a potential crisis in one of the nation's most prominent attorney offices. And this is the part most people miss. The Eastern District of Virginia handles a significant portion of the country's espionage and terrorism cases. Firing Siebert could disrupt this critical work and further fuel concerns about Trump's alleged misuse of the DOJ to target political opponents. Sources familiar with the matter reveal that Trump plans to replace Siebert with a U.S. attorney who will aggressively investigate James. This move has been described as an escalation in what critics call Trump's retribution campaign, with ongoing investigations also targeting Senator Adam Schiff and Federal Reserve Governor Lisa Cook. Trump has repeatedly accused James of targeting him politically, calling her biased and corrupt. James successfully brought a civil fraud case against Trump last year and is leading multiple lawsuits challenging his administration's policies. In a 3-month trial, a New York judge concluded that Trump and his family had engaged in business fraud by overvaluing their properties to obtain favorable loan terms. While an appeals court later dismissed the financial penalty, it upheld the finding of fraud. Trump administration officials argue that James committed mortgage fraud due to a document related to her 2023 home purchase, which they claim falsely indicated it would be her primary residence. However, investigators have determined that this document, a power of attorney form used by James's niece, was not considered by the loan officers who approved the mortgage. Siebert, a former police officer with the Washington, D.C. Metropolitan Police Department, has served as an assistant U.S. attorney in the Eastern District of Virginia since 2010. Both of Virginia's Democratic senators recommended Siebert to Trump, who nominated him for the position in May. After his interim term expired, the United States District Court for the Eastern District of Virginia extended Siebert's tenure unanimously. With a staff of 300 prosecutors serving over 6 million people, the U.S. Attorney's Office for the Eastern District of Virginia is one of the most high-profile and important federal prosecutor offices in the country. So what do you think? Is this a case of political retribution or a necessary move to uphold justice? We'd love to hear your thoughts in the comments below.